Hey folks, this is Keith with Keith's Dent Repair in Salado. Just want to bring up something here that I see a lot of these fly-by-nights are doing to these hail jobs. You know, a lot of people want to bring their car to a shop that's going to save their deductible. Yeah. And I just want to point out something to you here. I've been asked many times, hey Keith, how do they save people's deductibles? Well, you know, I don't know. I don't save deductibles, but I can point out some of the work here that's coming from these shops that do have these fly-by-nights come in and repair vehicles for no deductible. I want you to take a look at the orange peel. This is called orange peel. What happens is, once they make these repairs on your vehicle, then they have a person come in behind them, and they take a hammer and just put little tiny dents all over the paint. So it makes it really hard to see where they've repaired hail damage. I mean, I'm seeing this more and more and more. It worries me. And people, because this is not what paintless dent repair is. These are people that's trying to do a job really fast. We take our time. And that's okay with me. I mean, you know, I want to do it right, but there's a lot of people that come in and it's all about money. They want to make more money, so they just take a hammer and beat all over the car. And this car has been beat up all over. It's really rough, this paint. They do what they call blend. Yeah, well, blending was invented to do these roof rails. Up here where you can't get a tool underneath the metal, you glue pull it, and they don't, sometimes it's really hard to get it all in right, perfect. It takes time to do that. But when they come in and blend, they come in and blend all, you can see how rough the roof is. Yeah, get a load of that. Yeah, they blended on that before. But once they've done this, I can't fix that. It's rough as a cob. And so that's what you got. So I just want to bring it to the attention here that this, at my shop, we don't do this. I take my time on each and every car. So just to let you know what's going on. And this is just shortcuts. There's a bunch of shortcuts that these shops are taking. Some drill holes. They do all kinds of things to your car. You just don't know. Anyway, there you go. Enough said.